little context to what's been going on, because I haven't been talking much in my videos and just trying to get shit ready and just keeping my hands busy. But there's a couple things that need done to the Z, not even today, just at some point, and fucking late on the oil change. Not too late, only by like maybe 300 miles, but you know, last time when my shit blew, it blew at 4K, and that's where I'm touching right now on my oil change, so I'm like, time to change it. But this truck's actually been doing really well, and so the past week we just been adjusting the quarters, and it's finished sanding down, not a big deal. But the Corvette's coming super well, and let me just turn on the lights real fast. All right, now that the lights are on, the front bumper has been like kind of weird with the fitment, so I don't understand. Like, this bumper isn't from this original year car. This is a 90s Corvette, and that's maybe a 91 bumper, but literally I don't understand why like, I don't know what these are called, but these brackets where it actually lines up doesn't close the entire way, so it's like just a tiny bit off, but it doesn't look bad whatsoever. So in comparison, the brackets on this side would go down a tiny bit more than that side, but the hood does close, and it closes nice. So all in all, it does not look bad, especially on camera. It does not look bad at all. But yeah, just keeping that thing covered and just sanding on that. But side actually needs sanded down flush. No big deal, it's gonna take a little bit of time, but after that's sanded, it needs refilled, smoothed down, maybe even 180'd. But it just depends. I'll probably get away with maybe 2-3 coats, but pretty soon my dad's gonna get here too. And then we're actually gonna slap the front bumper completely on, like as in all the things are gonna be tight, and there's gonna be like no obscurities to the body fitment. So I'm really interested to see how we're actually gonna get that to fit, because I know it's actually gonna be pretty difficult, because it's not like snug, but it's not far off. So like, I know the fitment's actually gonna be pretty nice, and it doesn't look bad, but the bumper is not made for that car. It's made for the year up. So I mean, it is interesting, but it's like ever so slightly off. So literally ever so slightly, like maybe millimeters. So I'm interested to see how that's gonna fit.
One girl with hair like this?
Yes, that's Ramona Flowers.
Hey, you. Girl, you looking cute, my violet's red and blue. Got you roses and balloons, hey. You and me, shawty, we were meant to be, that's how it's supposed to be. Baby, I'm just what you need. Hey, you. Girl, you looking cute, my violet's red and blue. Got you roses and balloons, hey. You and me, shawty, we were meant to be, that's how it's supposed to be. Baby, I'm just what you need, hey.
The act of God is a previous excuse for a lousy date. So this is a date, eh? Did I say date? Slip the tongue. Tell him.
Who that pretty lady that be right across the room? I got hundreds in my pockets, I'ma spend it all on you. You my kind of woman, Matt DeMarco said it first. Blow me kisses in the summer, baby, do your worst. Pink hair, blue hair, looking like Ramona, baby. I don't want no bitches, I just wanna bend you over. I just wanna be your charm, I wanna be your little Clover, baby, quit the playing, put your head up on my shoulders.
Hey,
know if you guys can hear me. I just wanted to touch up after I got out of the shop. Got my little buddy with me. Honestly, I just got a lot of sanding done today and it just took way too fucking long. I'm just kidding, but it sucks trying to get that straight with the DA. And I ran out of paper for the annihilator, so I had to make some towards the end, which isn't a big deal. But it's just took some time, and then I'm gonna get back onto it tomorrow. But later today, I'm gonna stop over at my buddy's house, and we're actually finishing putting together his TT. So got some exciting stuff